Welcome back to the Pesticides and Toxic Chemicals Control Board, PTCCB's Licensing and Registration Service. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through the process of registering a toxic chemical product. It is important for you to note that this registration process also applies for mercury, radioactive sources, and refrigerant gases. However, pesticide products are not registered through the Licensing and Registration Service and must continue to be registered directly through the PTCCB office in accordance with existing regulatory procedures. To begin, log into your account and navigate to the Applications tab. Next, click Register Product. You will then be directed to the Guidance Note page. Please take a moment to carefully review the information provided before proceeding. Check the box labeled Ready to Apply and click the Toxic Chemical Registration button to begin your application. To add a product, select Add More Products and complete all required fields. Ensure that all documents are clear, legible, and relevant to the product being registered. After entering the product information, click Save Product. If you need to register additional products, simply select Add More Products and repeat the process. Once all products have been added, provide the applicant's signature and click Save and Submit. A confirmation prompt will appear. Select Yes to submit your registration application. Your application has now been successfully submitted for review. We will assess the information provided and may issue queries if additional information is required or proceed with approval if all requirements have been met.